So basically, when you get towards the end of East Sombrio Beach, there's gonna be a false creek first. That makes it look like that's where the hidden waterfall is. We gotta keep going. It's just before the rock kind of face cliff you have to climb up to get to another waterfall. So it's just before that one, towards the very end of the beach. And then you basically have to walk up the creek. So we're just walking up this little creek right now. And as you can see, there's already people up ahead. And you might even be able to get a glimpse of the waterfall.